In India, every state has a mighty fort belonging to the nearly different historical period and architectural style. So here are the 10 impressive forts in India which you must visit once to feel the royal bygone eras. Nimrana Fort is one of the famous forts in India, nestled on the Delhi-Jaipur highway amidst the greenery and loaded with history. It's a relaxing spot for people who drive to historic places and wants to enjoy their weekend getaways in a luxurious way. With 74 rooms and 14 property, Nimrana serves as an ideal destination in India for travelers. Kangra Fort is nestled in the hills of Kangra, which is around 20 km away from Dharamshala in Himachal Pradesh. The magnetic fort was built by Rajput family of Kangra state. This fort has seen many mighty rulers. It was destroyed by an earthquake, but travelers can still visit the fort. Golconda Fort is located in Golconda, 11 km away from Hyderabad. This fort is truly an architectural marvel. The fort was also home to some really famous diamonds like Kohinoor. The main attraction of the fort is the light show. There is also a dome in the fort where handclaps done can be heard a kilometer away at the pavilion. Gwalior Fort was built in 10th century, which make it one of the oldest fort in India. It's located on the hilltop of Gwalior. During the rule of Mughals, this fort was used as prison. In the evening, you can watch the city drown into the beautiful moonlight and glowing from Mehergarh Fort. It's one of the most precious views. Mehrangarh Fort is one of the greatest forts of India, which is beaded in the land of Jodhpur, Rajasthan. There are 7 gates which can be used to enter the fort. Those 7 gates are made by different rulers and are built in honor of victory over Bikaner and Jaipur armies. This fort holds the pride of Jodhpur because of its splendid architecture and diverse history. Agra Red Fort is situated just 2.5 km from the prestigious and grand Taj Mahal in Agra. The Agra Fort appears more like a walled city with its monumental gates, double fortifications with massive circular supports. One of the most well-maintained fort, Agra Fort, is considered as UNESCO World Heritage Site. Delhi Red Fort was built in 17th century by the mighty Mughal ruler Shah Jahan. Thick walls of Red Fort made up of red sandstone has protected Mughals for almost 200 years from their enemies. When you go inside the mesmerizing fort, you can see a mosque called Moti Masjid, Diwani Am, Diwani Khas and many more structures within the wall of Red Fort complex. It's located in Old Delhi. Jaisalmer Fort, also known as Golden Fort or Sonar Kila, because of its sandy or beige color like the Thor desert. This fort has several interesting features like massive gateways, the Raj Mahal Palace, 7 giant temples, over 600 idols. This fort is constructed in the classic style by local craftsmen. This fort is also declared as UNESCO World Heritage Site. Chittor Fort is one of the largest forts in India and declared as the UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's situated on the bank of Berak River and has many historical places, gates, temples and 2 memorial towers. This fort is also known for hosting biggest Rajput festival called Johar Mela, which is held to celebrate the courage and bravery of Rajput ancestors and women. Amer Fort or Amber Fort is one of the most famous forts in Rajasthan, built with red stone and marble and overlooking the Maota Lake. This fort has influences both Indian and Mughal architecture, still has beautiful interiors and many pavilions and halls which have its own charm. This fort is also declared as UNESCO World Heritage Site. Hope this video is informative for you guys. We'll come back soon with next video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe, wear mask.